Hi everyone, welcome to Undervale Learning Space. I'm sure you're all familiar with this formula. This is draft formula for solving quadratic equations. Now, let's assume we have a quadratic equation as ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here, a stands for the coefficient of x squared, b stands for the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So, today we'll be looking at how come about this formula, right? So, let's assume we have an expression like this. We want to make x the subject of the formula from this. So, first, what we do is we move c to the right-hand side. So, we have ax squared plus bx is equal to negative c when it crosses to the right hand side. Because it is crossing an equality sign, it is negative. So the next step is we divide through by a. So you divide this by a, divide this by a, and also divide this by a. A goes with what? A, right? So x squared plus bx is equal to minus c over a over a. The next step is you take half the square of this number and add both sides by it. So what we have to do is multiply b over a by half and what? Square it. So what we do is this. So we have b over a times 1 over 2 all raised to power 2. Let me write it here, which is same thing as b over 2a all raised to power 2. So when we've done this, we add both sides of this equation with the b over 2a all raised to power 2. So we'll have x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a raised to power 2 equal to, now it's not necessary to bracket this, you can leave it without putting it in a bracket, it won't change anything. So equal to minus c over a minus c over a. And remember, whatsoever you do to the left hand side, you also do to the right hand side. So this will be plus b over 2a all raised to power 2. So we factorize the left hand side. So in factorizing, we just pick this x, put your bracket, pick this x, then you pick what is inside this bracket, plus b over 2a, and then you give them 1 square. So if you're to expand this, you're going to get exactly what you have at the left hand here. So this is equal to minus c over a plus b squared is same as b squared over 2a raised to power 2, or raised to power 2 is same thing as 4a squared. So from this point now, let's simplify the right hand side, still bringing down the left hand side. X plus b over 2a all raised to power 2 equal to, take the LCM. The LCM of a and 4a squared is 4a squared. 4a squared. So 4a squared divided by a will give you 4a. 4a times minus c, this is minus 4ac, plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared will give you 1. 1 times b squared will give you b squared. So this is x plus b over 2a raised to power 2 equal to, let's arrange this, let's rearrange this. So we have b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So from here, we take the square root of both sides. We take the square root of this and the square root of the right hand side as well. Now watch, the square root covers both the numerator and the denominator. It means you're squaring both the up and the down part of the fraction. So this square root goes with this square. So we have x plus b over 2a equal to, when you introduce this square root, it's going to introduce a plus or minus, because for instance, the square of 2 is equal to 4. The square of minus 2 is equal to 4. So the square root of 4, it could be that is a negative 2 or a positive 2. So we apply the same thing here. So we have, let's separate them this time. The square root of b squared minus 4ac all over, what is the square root of 4? That's 2. The square root of a squared will give you a. So we move this b to the right hand side since we want to make x the subject of the formula to stand alone. So we have x is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we take the LCM of the denominators. So this becomes equal to 2a. 2a divided by 2a will give you 1. 1 times minus b. This is minus b plus or minus 2a divided by 2a will give you 1. 1 times this whole stuff here will give us root b squared minus 4ac, and we have successfully made x the subject of the formula. So this formula is known as a quadratic formula. It is not almighty formula. So register this at the back of your mind. Anywhere you see the quadratic formula, these are the steps involved in deriving it. So thank you very much. If you have any question and there is any formula you want me to prove, drop it in the comment section and I will hit right at it. Thank you very much. See you in class next time. Bye.